What the fuck, dude? Are you kidding me? LA's finest. Let's see what this guy has to say. You didn't see me, man. You gotta use your blinker, dude. I know you're a cop, but you gotta use your blinker, man. That shit happens to me all the time. But thanks for saying something. You're good. You're not like everyone else. Everyone else be like, oh, fuck you, you're a biker. You're wrong. Have a good one, man.
Yeah.
That camera don't weight your helmet down.
Huh?
That camera don't weight your helmet down.
No, man, it don't. It don't weigh a thing.
Nice. I like the helmet too.
Appreciate it.
So what were you doing?
Huh?
So what were you doing?
Oh, man, you tell me. You saw me.
I didn't stop you.
Oh, well, hell, better ask him. He's writing down something. I figured I wouldn't give y'all nothing to do tonight. I'd pull over and make it easy.
Sign here and the phone number right there. I got you for prudent speeding.
Got me at what?
Prudent speeding.
Prudent? What is that?
Well, any reasonable citizen, human being would know that you were speeding. Doing over 50.
Oh, that's what prudent means?
Yes.
Hold on. Did you catch me speeding? Can I see your gun?
Okay, I'm gonna explain to you one more time.
Okay.
Prudent speeding is I don't have to catch you with a gun. Prudent speeding is what any reasonable human being would know you were doing way over 50. That means I don't need a radar gun. That's why I'm prudent speeding.
Right here, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. All right.
Right there. And not trying to be funny, if you Google prudent speed, it gives you the exact definition. I don't need a radar gun.
All right.
Okay.
Let's make sure.
All right.
Step off the bike.
What?
Okay, where's your license plate?
Right here. I didn't do anything wrong, officer.
Yeah, you did. That's your license?
Yes. What did I do?
Well, first of all, I believe you were the one we were trying to find yesterday. And two, that's good for $1,500.
What? What?
There, that is illegal.
It's visible.
Okay, son, do you want to discuss it, or do you want me to tell you what the statute says? The statute said it has to be at the back of the bike, needs to be plainly visible. Problem is, we also have a complaint about someone with a bike that fits this description running from one of our people yesterday afternoon. Let me start checking and see who was out there yesterday.
Me? It wasn't me, so.
It's the description, so just hang tight.
Yeah. You getting all this on video?
Yeah, I have it on video.
Yeah, I know. I'm just saying. Take the video and show the tag, how it's mounted on there.
I mean, to be honest, I thought that was legal because
We'd suggest, there's
no suggestion. It's a $1,200 fine.
Actually, is it 12 or 15?
12.
12? Okay.
I think it's 1,500
I had no idea. I'll put it here, but I just.
That's where it belongs.
It has
if you
to
look
be.
right here, right here, that's where your mount is.
I know, correct, but I just bought the bike, and that's how the guy had it before me. So
I'm going to end up getting you a written warning because you haven't been a jerk. You haven't been giving me a hard time. Don't really appreciate you shoving a GoPro camera in my face when I get here, but...
Wait,
what? Okay, where's your license plate?
Right here. I didn't do anything wrong, officer.
Yeah, you did. That's your license. Don't really appreciate you shoving a GoPro camera in my face when I get here, but...
Wait,
I You know what I mean? Come on, you know, you and I both know what we're talking about.
I understand.
You know, you might want to consider that because, quite frankly, what I was telling you was the truth. That wasn't nasty to you when you look at the recording.
No, you're completely nice and honest.
And we did have a bike that seemed to fit the description flee from us yesterday with no tag in the same area. And what happened was when that bike bugged out on our deputy yesterday, he bugged out right in the area where you were seen.
Okay.
And if you think I'm making it up, he will tell you. I'm not.
No, I believe you.
That tag, though, where you've got that displayed, I mean, if situation been a little bit different, you would have had a different attitude, or you would really push my schoolmates told me it goes there, you're wrong, Tom. You probably would have gotten it there. Look, you are perfectly within your legal rights to record and doing anything you want.
Yes.
Don't care, but understand. Doesn't always. It's not a good way to put your best foot forward. Okay. So, and that's again that.
I mean, I don't understand. I don't record just for. It's for anything. If I get in an accident, you know,
fine.
just for like.
You're fine, but all I'm saying is you have every legal right to do it, but you're not necessarily putting your best foot forward if you're going to sit there and be. No, officer. I was told that. No.
Oh, I mean, I didn't mean it like that.
Okay. I'm just telling you how it comes across. I'm not messing with you. I mean, I don't get paid to mess with you. I just do that for one thing.
Apparently we're doing some type of exploration, just riding around. What did y'all do? How you doing? What happened? Oh, I'm good.
Can't reach the play like that.
He got bent down in a off-road accident, but I am legal if you want to run it. I got my license and.
You gotta bend it down. Well, I know, but it's not readable that way.
Okay, I understand.
You got your driver's license and insurance?
Yeah, man, I'm all good if you want to run it. I don't mind. What'd you do, Gus? They're looking at us through the windows. We created a scene. He waves at them.
You need to bend that license plate back.
Okay, yes, sir.
Also, I saw y'all driving around all crazy before I pulled y'all over.
Where?
Don't be weak. I saw y'all weaving in and out of lanes.
Okay, alright.
Doing that.
Yes, sir.
I know y'all are nimble and y'all can do that, but it's too dangerous.
No, I got you. Yes, sir. I'm staying in the back of the pack. Yes, sir.
You hear what I said? Did y'all hear what I said too? Yes, sir. Yeah. Don't be.
Take it easy, man. Yeah, we should get out of downtown.
Water all over me. Oh shit, that cop's turning around.
Don't sink in the dirt. Oh, it's because of his plate.
Oh, that's why he was chasing us? I thought he was chasing us because we illegally passed.
What?
I thought he was chasing us because we illegally passed.
Pass, no passing zone. Driver's license, proof of insurance, please. So, I'm going to write you a warrant for it. Yeah, well, you're the ones that I saw. I can't get you all. It's like fishing, one at a time. What's your correct address, Mr. Bates, on... Bates being issued a warning for passing no passing zone. Need you to sign there. We'll go on your driving record, but it will go on our database that we did make contact with you today. Please drive our roads. It's fun, but you know what? Obey the laws. There's a couple hundred of you in it.
There was.
That many of you?
It just ended. So
Yeah, it was just our maybe 25, 30 bike group riding that.
Oh yeah, I've been running into all of you. A couple of them were doing 80, and there's no way I'm going to catch you. So, not in that thing.
Yeah, we were just trying to keep up because they're leading us back into town, so we're a little bit late. So.
Well, you're going to be late.